Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking things out here at WXYZ.com for your local forecast. 67 overnight tonight after another hot one around here. It'll be mostly clear. There might be some haze or very light fog. It's just the mugginess hangs on for one more day, all right? After Tuesday, it begins to break. 63 in Brighton, 67 in Detroit, 63 in Tipton, 67 in Dearborn. Utica at 66, so a little warmer on the east side than the west side. And if you get any fog or any haze, it burns off very, very quickly. We're back to the upper 80s and lower 90s, 89 in Detroit. A couple of spots here and there certainly could hit 90 again on Tuesday. But that is the last day of the big heat, the high humidity. Notice the 7-day forecast. It's a changing day on a Wednesday. We don't all of a sudden get cooler. 68 the muggy low, then 81 for high. There's a slight chance for a low shower. Most of that probably stays to our north. But then 69, 67, 66, 68. Those 60s for highs, even some 40s for lows over the weekend. That's the fall feel that's much closer to what should be here this time of year. It looks like the best chance of rain in the next 7 days is Friday with some showers. We need it too. We're more than 1 3/4 inches behind so far for September.